Alright. This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right here again. Today's video is have to know this before buy a brand new car or used car. Right? If you want to buy a car, you have to know this. What is 1.2, 1.2 liters, 1.5 liters, 2.0 liters, and 3.0 liters engine? Right, you have to understand what does it mean of this before you buy a car. Right, the engine size, yes, the engine size the of the car, or engine size of a car has a 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, and so on and so forth. So it refers to the total capacity of an engine cylinder measured in liters. Right, measured in liters. It indicates how much air fuel mixture it can burn for power in the cylinder, in the engine cylinder. Right. So to buy a car, your small car, you can see at the back that you have written 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, 2.0, 3.0 liters. Right. So it means the capacity or the size of the engine. So if you buy 1.2 engine, this car is used for town driving, right? It's used for town driving. And why 1.2? Yes, 1.2 means that it's it doesn't consume much fuel. The efficiency of the fuel consumption is low. That's 1.2 engine or 1.2 car. The efficiency of the car engine is low. The efficiency of the car engine consuming fuel is low. So it's good to use it around the town, the community, especially the Uber. Yes, to use for a Uber car. But the 2.8 engine or 2.0 liters engine is used for long journeys, highways driving, right? Highway driving. And then it's used for towing cars because it consumes much and it's good for power, it produces power, torque, and also consume fuel. The efficiency of the consumption of the fuel is very high. So it's used for highways or long distance, right? Long distance. But buying 1.2 is for only around the community, from house to work, work to house. But mind you that when your house is far from your work, you need 2.0, right? 2.0 liter engine to use. 2.0 liter engine to use. So you have to. So you have your small money and you decided to buy a car to use. And then the car owner will tell you this one is 2.1 engine, 2.1 liter engine. You need to understand it and what you are going to use the car for before you buy that particular car. Right. So the 1.2 liter doesn't consume fuel mixture because when the larger of the engine that the consume is high, the larger the engine the consumption is high. The smaller the engine, the consumption is low. So when you buy 2.0 engine, you have to know that you are going to consume much fuel. You are going to burn fuel a lot, right? So assuming you are using for community riding or town riding, then you know to buy 2.0. You have to buy 1.2. your community driving from town to town, around the town. Yes, it's good for you to buy such a car like this. So if you want to buy a car, you have to understand the number written at the back, 1.2, 2.0, before you buy the car, and the assignment of buying the car, what the car is going to do, you are going to use the car for. You have to know. So if we are going to use the car for loading and those stuff, then you need 3.0, 2.0. And mind you, if you buy 1.2 engine, don't load the car. Though I have a small load, so I have to put inside my boot. You are going to consume much of your engine because the engine cylinder, the capacity of the engine is small, is low. So the force, the torque, you are going to burn much of your fuel. And I'm telling you, this economy, you regret that you buy the car. So you have to know the car, the work of the car. You are going to use the car for before you buy the car. This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.